What happened to him, Amma? Huh? What happened to him?
എന്താണ്
Amma.
വരും നാളെ രാവിലെ സാറിന് എല്ലാ ദിവസവും വരും സാറിന് വരാത്ത ഒരു ദിവസമില്ല all the days.
Hey, hi. Good morning. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Where we stopped?
Yesterday we looked at how to create a dashboard and like how to use the properties in the dashboard, like filters, how to align.
Okay. Anyone have any doubts regarding to that?
So far with what we tried, I don't, sir, but if any we get, we'll let you know.
You tried, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Try.
Okay. Each and everyone explored show me options, drag and drop options, creating dashboards, managing legends and managing filters, and changing the dashboard names, sheet names, and fonts and colors, changing dimension to measure to dimension.
Sir, with show me, I haven't. I have some more charts to try with, sir. I haven't because it
Okay,
takes
no
a bit
problem.
to analyze each chart.
No problem, you can try. Okay, these are the things which we discussed. Now, okay, now, can you please try to find out how we can able to create a new field in the Tableau itself with help of existing field?
New field means new column.
Yes, right.
Create. Is this
New
create
folder.
calculated field?
Yes.
There's,
How we will
from
do?
this,
For
I'm
example,
saying
just I'll say, I want profit per customer. Okay, I want days to ship, days to ship. Okay. Difference between actual date and expected date.
So in this create calculated field, we'll say what is the days to ship minus days to ship schedule and days to ship actual.
Yes, right.
But sir, sometimes if we do wrong calculation and we again want to go to that column and change, so what is the way? Like, is there only way to remove the column and do the
No. Edit. You can edit. You can edit. For example, here I'm going to create a column. For example, just you can consider I'm going to create a new column. It's a calculation. You're able to see the set.
Oh, I didn't find this.
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, when I do that, I am not getting any those functionalities on the site, sir.
For me also, I didn't find.
You overlooked the arrow symbol.
Oh, right. Yeah. Now I can see.
Okay. Yeah.
Why it is not working?
Date difference minus.
Thought a day in different format or something.
Is to
Here, this is the numerical number. This is not in the date format.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ship date and
Order date.
ship date minus order date. Ship date minus order date. Then you will get to know how many days it will take to order.
that is order ID, sir.
Wow.
ship date. Days to ship. Schedule. Date difference minus order date.
Okay, we'll try to find out a simpler way.
Why
Is it like
is
the
this
function
correct, sir?
that this?
Yes, this is the function.
So do we have to give just comma, right? Why we are giving minus in the in between, sir? Date.
Shit.
Sir, it is showing the calculation contains errors.
Date part, start date.
Dative is called when date, comma date. Did you mean string, comma date?
So it's in date time format.
Oh, it's coming in minus.
What is that? So it's in date only. Date and time. So now it's in date.
With the format, in which format our date is there?
It's just showing date, sir.
Order date.
Order ID, sir.
Okay. Our date is in a different form. Okay, leave that particular date field. Try to calculate the remaining things. For example, this field is there. I'm editing this once again. Remove this. I want to check.
Cost of product.
And difference between
Profit and
Sales per
sale.
customer. Sales per customer into
here comma.
profit. I want to create a new field. The field is itself is considered as multiplication of two fields. Okay, how you will do?
Sales into profit per customer or something.
Sales per customer into the name is now if you view the data, you're able to see
Yes, sir. Values are calculated.
like that you can create a new fields by existing fields. You can write conditions also. Yeah, I'm sharing a specific link. Can you please?
Oh, logical functions.
Each and everyone opened it.
Yes, sir.
Mm.
You're able to see?
Yes, sir. Actually, why we have added region in the filter, sir?
Why? Because I want to see only one region.
But
How you will do without filter?
it's okay, but we don't have the data right region in our chart. We have segment category.
Segment category. You're saying region is not there.
Not showing.
Yeah.
See this one, region,
Okay.
segment, category. How the order will be?
In region, based upon the region segment, and then it's splitted upon categories. Yes.
Profit, quantity,
Okay.
sales. Okay.
Okay.
Now, okay, this is the table.
Yeah.
I'm adding region to the filters.
Okay.
What you're able to see?
Only the region south we have.
South regionally.
Hmm. Now see. What is the difference?
We have got the row totals and column totals, grand totals.
Okay, here I am.
Category based upon the category region has been splitted now.
Okay, see now. You're able to observe?
Yes, sir. No, in the cheat one, we didn't have a region as a data over there. Then how come we can use that filter? So here there is a region in rows. You have given region so that we are using it as a. Okay. So even if you use the quantities will decrease. Yeah, it's changing.
Okay, the thing is,
Okay.
it
Okay.
is used in the visualization or not, that is a different thing. But if you are using in the filter, it means it will
Okay.
only allow that particular data to the next level. Filter will come first, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay. So irrespective those things are there in the either in the chart or not, but it will calculate
Mm.
the columns. Okay,
Yes,
sir.
for example, I'll remove this particular thing.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going and adding uh, country. You're able to see the change?
Yes, sir, I could see that. Okay.
Yes.
Mhm.
So the thing is that it will fetch those values along with all the other values. So even though it is not shown in visualization, we can do that.
Forget about the visualization.
Okay.
After applying all the conditions, it will decide which data need to be used.
Okay.
That's the
Okay.
only thing, right? Wherever we are using what type of conditions, based on that, it will work.
Okay. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. I just understood this. Now I got it.
Okay. And what are the things? You I explained you totals related information.
Grand
That
total.
row
Yes.
totals graph. Yes, sir. You showed once.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
How to bring totals and grand totals.
Yes.
Mhm.
In
Okay.
analytics.
Each and everyone have a clarity on how to create dashboards and all those things.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you
Okay.
make one more chart with days to ship, including days to ship and actual and schedule with some of
1
combination?
second. Okay. What we need to do? Days to
Days,
ship.
it's in measure,
Okay.
like which order.
Order ID you are looking for. Okay.
And
If you understood
days to ship.
in which
It's
format it is,
What chart?
oh, it's hard.
the date.
Date is in found the year.
Okay. How he
Time.
find the days to ship? Just we'll
Just
check
change data
how
type.
it is.
Change data type when I gave it showed the what data it is currently it is there type. When change to data type it shows it.
Okay. Rename.
Or
1 second.
or if
Create a
you
duplicate, group by, replace, describe, create, transform, duplicate, and edit. Days to ship actual. Hmm.
so is it like it's bringing some of the days? So is it supposed to be in dimension?
Is it?
Like days to ship, it is
Days
showing
to ship
some.
is a measurement, right?
Number of days.
Yeah, it is number of days, but why do we want to have
This is
some
a
of
product ID, right?
some?
Ah, sum of days to ship.
Like for order ID one, um, how many days it take to ship?
That is the only thing, right? Here,
Mm,
here you're able to see.
here sum of
Those are the order IDs. And these are the number of days to ship. What is in it?
mm, sum. Or if we say like product name, and if we want to know this product, how many days it took in shipping.
That is the information you are able to see here, right? If
But
you want to
it's
see the product name is nothing but, you see, a little confusion, you will get it here.
mm, okay.
Why? Because here you need to remember one product name will be the same, right? For whoever
Mm,
it may be.
mm,
Order ID is the different case. For each and every purchase by the customer, he will get one unique order ID. But in multiple order IDs, same product name will be there, right? For example, pen purchased by me, purchased by you, purchased by another XYZ.
mm,
For each and everyone, the product name is the same thing, right?
yeah.
If you use that
Okay.
particular product
Yes.
name, which is not unique, you will get
Mm,
all the data.
mm-hmm.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
what are the things we covered up to now?
So we have learned what is dimension, what is measures,
No. I mean to say like Python.
Python.
SQL.
So Python, in Python, we were about to learn those functions and all. We
Yes,
haven't
yes. What are the concepts which we covered?
data types in Python. How to
Up
use
to
those.
where?
SQL.
In SQL?
In SQL, we used
SQL.
query.
Like you said about joining, but we didn't do join in
Yeah,
SQL.
Okay.
we have used like base things and all, where and all those things, but we haven't yet started with join and all.
Okay. We didn't discuss.
We
No.
used group by, sir, until
Okay. Group by. If we are saying group by means
group
joins
by.
also we use it, right?
Yeah, we used some, but yeah, not in
Okay.
detail.
We
Okay.
didn't like
Right.
not in detail, so just what
Not in
is
detail,
the
just
join.
what
Yeah,
is-
just we learned what is join. That's it.
Oh, okay. Right. Okay. Can you please look into that Python and SQL and Tableau? And along with that, can you please refer some sources to find out some interview questions related to it?
Okay.
And based on that, you can prepare your doubts list or the concepts list, which we left. I know I remember what are the concepts which we didn't discuss. I'll
Okay.
start from there, but from now onwards, you can try to capture the questions and understand how the market is there, how the ask will be there in the interview, and what type of questions they'll ask, how the people are answering it, and where we need to update ourselves, what type of things we need to still have some more confidence we need to gain, like that. Each and everyone can maintain a notepad plus plus or notepad and share with me. We'll discuss.
Sir, can you please provide some list of questions, sir?
No,
So
I
that
am
we
not going to
can.
provide you any list. Why? Because that list is uh, uh, completely available in the open sources.
Okay.
You can search with your requirement, you will get it. Why? Because
So we
the
have to search
pattern
it like data analytic question like that. We have to search or each
is
and
data analytics interview questions for Python. You can search for SQL. You can search for Tableau. You can search.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Maintain your own questionnaire and answers.
Sir, just curious to know, are we also going to cover Excel and Power BI in this?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right.
So for tableaus and what all things we are yet to cover, sir.
Parameters,
Okay.
cascading filters.
Okay.
You know how to publish the result after
No,
creating the dashboard. How to publish? How to save your work?
No, sir.
no, sir.
The Tableau public, right?
But just
Yes, in the Tableau public.
No, sir.
Those are the things which we need to discuss.
And sir, we also have join in the Tableau.
Joinings are very simple.
In this Tableau, there is showing when we start from data source, there is one
See,
relationship comes one
you're
to
able to
one,
see.
one to many.
It's very easy. Joining
Okay.
condition.
Okay.
On what column? On this what column?
Mm.
Those are just 1 hour things which we reminded. 1 hour, 1.5 hours. But before that, I need to understand and I need to clarify your doubts.
Yeah.
So
Okay,
one
sir.
more question, like if suppose if so, a data set is said to have 2 to 3 tables, like how will we look a sample of that, how to work on those datas?
Then definitely you'll have an option right here. You can bring the data.
Okay.
You can bring the data into edit field based on the relations. Otherwise, you can bring the individual data.
Okay. So with
You know, you don't have any problem.
okay, so what is that new union? So many there is an option and all there, sir. What is that? So we can create our own joins over there. Is it that new union means there is on the left side?
So new union, for example, just to see. Simple. In SQL, generally, how we will try to identify this column from this table. Try to
Mm.
identify this column from this table.
Mhm. Mhm.
Okay. And based on this condition, please add or produce this column and give the name as this column.
Mhm.
Right. But here just we need to select, okay, what are the column you want to write a join in this column A, in this column B. Okay. Double equal to or not equal to or greater than or less than. Okay. With this name. That's it.
Okay.
It is a tool, right? Tableau is a tool, right? You need to
Mm.
have an awareness on the working methodology and the exploration of the tool.
Mhm. I think we have to work with one data set having multiple tables. I think then I will come to know.
Yes, you can able to find out a lot of data sets.
Mm.
Okay,
Okay, so
but
I'll
anyway,
study with
I'll
one.
tell. Anyway, I'll tell. But if you are curious, you can try to find out the data set, and it will be easily available.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, each and
Okay.
everyone explore. I mean, maybe I know this week is the Thanksgiving week, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, maybe from tomorrow onwards
Mhm.
or
Here the
today
vacation
onwards.
started, sir.
On
Here
No,
Thursday.
started, sir, already.
it already started.
Holidays are started.
Okay, okay, okay. For this week, your responsibility is you need to find out the concepts where you want more clarity
Okay.
Okay.
and what type of questions you are not able to understand, which are already there in the market
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
related to Python, SQL, Tableau.
Tableau.
The portion
Okay, you
which
can
cover.
each and every one. I'm going to say I'll cover the remaining portion, but
Yes, yes.
based on the
Mm.
depth of the questions which are in the market.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, generally also I'll cover, but to understand these things, you need to know the importance and you need to know the perception of how the questions are asking and how you need to answer them. Then it will be, you'll get a more clarity on those things. Up to now, we discussed we didn't discuss the complete depth concepts. Why? Because if we discuss the concepts also, you will understand in the form of concepts only. You're not able to understand in a real-time situation. If you go through the questions and if you go through the scenarios, then you will try to understand it, right? In that process, you will get a more clarity.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. We'll check into those questions.
And each and everyone can prepare their own notepad.
Okay.
Python is one session, Tableau is one session, SQL is one session.
Okay.
Just try, after seeing the question, just try to understand. If you're not able to understand, after going through those articles or after going through the solutions also, then you can make a note of it. Once you feel like that yours is completed in one module or two modules or three modules, please share with me in the group.
Got it.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Can you please post this same thing in the group itself? Can someone post the same thing in the group itself?
The thing is to prepare that interview questions like for Python, SQL, and Tableau.
Yes, and
Go
make a
through
note of doubts and
go through
concepts.
those questions, and if you come across any queries, just have a note and discuss with you. Okay. Okay, sir. I'll post it.
Okay. Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving Day. What you guys will do?
We will not say anything.
I don't understand. That is a mystery for me for past 7 or 8 years.
It's
No,
I
not
don't know
our
what people will do.
holiday.
it's just a Thanksgiving. They will just thank all the elders, and the elders will. It's kind of like a gift exchange.